Welcome and thanks for watching. Uh, Not long ago, three pigeons sent us a backpack for review, and they contacted me with another product. Now, I've seen some of the pictures on this, but this will be the first time we're taking it out. We're going to take a look at it, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this. And if you're interested, we'll be leaving a link that'll take you to their site, and you can check out their many products they have on there. And so, give me just a minute. We'll take this out of the box and take a look at it. The double rifle and pistol gun case, and a lot more. So, give me just a minute. Okay, guys, check this out. This is kind of like a dark camo. It's got plenty accessory pockets for your pistols, your ammo. It's a 42 by 12 double rifle, double pistol gun case. Now, this is made up of durable 1000D nylon. And guys, it's just nice. Now, this has a shoulder strap, carrying handle, and back strap for a backpack. I mean, just they thought about everything on this one. Now let's take a look at this, guys. This is nice. Check this out. Now each side is padded, and it also has Velcro latches for your gun to hold it in place, and pockets on each end to keep it from flopping around, and a divider, padded divider in the center to keep your gun from bumping together. And guys, I mean, this is made up, and it's got heavy duty zippers. I mean, guys, I mean, this thing is padded all the way around. Uh, I'll tell you what, I want to thank Three Pigeons for sending this out for us to do a review on, and show it to you and tell you a little bit about it. Now, it has all kinds of pockets for your ammo, your supplies that you're going to be taking out to the range. And each of these have double zippers. Now this has got a netted storage compartment. So if you've got something in here and you forgot which side you put it, well, you can just look through and see what you got in your little storage compartments. I like that. And like I say, you've got two compartments here for your handguns, one on each side. Plenty big enough to handle a 19 or 11 or every kind of pistol you have. And let's see. Yeah, like I say, you've got two storage compartments on each side here. And also, you've got another storage compartment on the outside, on each side, on the front of this bag. You've got storage for your ammo. You can put two rifles, two pistols, and a lot more. Guys, I mean, this company really thought out the use for this bag. I mean, they thought of everything that you need for a range bag on your hunting trips. You can carry multiple rifles, multiple handguns, or out to the range. It's durable, it's stout, and just that is super nice. So, guys and girls, if you're looking for the one backpack that will handle up to 2 rifles and 2 pistols and all your ammo and supplies, this is the bag for you. I mean, this is nice. So, guys and girls, if you're interested in a 3 pigeon, uh, double rifle, double pistol, and all the accessories you could have possibly take out to the range, now we'll be leaving a link that'll take you to the site and a discount code so you can get 15, I think up to 15% off on this if you order one. Uh, and let me tell you, pretty nice, pretty nice. So, guys and girls, as always, we appreciate you watching. We thank you for all your views and comments. And subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. And give us a big thumbs up. It helps. And we'll see you the next time on The Walk with Al. Thank you ever so much for watching.